fourth graders, welcome back. I am Mrs. Lamondo here to talk to you all about geometry. Today, we're going to do a really fun lesson that I think you'll enjoy all about symmetry. I also think Mrs. Blanchette, our art teacher, would love this lesson too, seeing as symmetry really comes into play during art. So let's check out what symmetry is. Let's start with a little video that's going to remind us all about symmetry.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about symmetry. Symmetry is a concept that is commonly found in math, especially geometry, but it is also often discussed in art and design. An object that has symmetry can be divided into identical pieces. When an object has symmetry, we say that it is symmetrical. When an object does not have symmetry, we say that it is asymmetrical. There are many different types of geometric symmetry, but today we are only going to talk about the simplest form, reflectional symmetry. An object or image that has reflectional symmetry is like a mirror image. If you were to draw an imaginary line down the center of a symmetrical object and fold it in half along that line, the shapes would match up. This imaginary line is called a line of symmetry. Some symmetrical objects only have one line of symmetry, while others have more. For example, this triangle only has one line of symmetry, straight down the middle, because if you try to divide it any other way, the pieces don't match up. This triangle, on the other hand, has three lines of symmetry. You could fold it here, here, or here, and each time the halves would be the same. A square has four lines of symmetry. You could divide it in half from left to right, top to bottom, or from corner to corner either way. Symmetry is often found in nature. One favorite example of this is a butterfly. When a butterfly folds its wings, it is easy to see that they are the same shape. Now that you know what symmetry means, see if you can find symmetrical objects near you. You may be surprised by how many things are symmetrical.
Symmetry is certainly all around us. So let's look here. Some images have one line of symmetry, some have more than one, and some have none. Remember, if something doesn't have any lines of symmetry, we could say it's not symmetrical or it is asymmetrical. So let's go ahead and check out, excuse me, this worksheet. So let's look at number 1. Does that shape have symmetry along the line that is there? Yes or no? We'll pause if we need to discuss. Number 2, does that shape have that line of symmetry along the dotted line? Yes or no? We can pause and discuss. Number 3, does that shape have a line of symmetry given? Yes or no? Let's pause and discuss. Number 4, does that shape have a line of symmetry that's given? Yes or no? Let's pause and discuss. Number 5, does that shape have a line of symmetry given? Yes or no? Let's pause and discuss. Image 6, does that image have a line of symmetry? Yes or no? Let's pause and discuss. Image 7. Does that image have a line of symmetry given? Yes or no? Let's pause and discuss. And lastly, number 8. Does that image have a line of symmetry given? Yes or no? Let's pause and discuss. All right, hopefully we have a better idea now about what symmetry is. Let's check out our Google form we'll be completing today. Of course, you'll put your name. Ooh, some of these should look familiar. I hope you were paying attention. So our first one, is it symmetrical? You're simply going to answer yes or no. Number 2, is that polygon symmetrical? Yes or no. Number 3, is this polygon symmetrical? Yes or no. Number 4, is this polygon symmetrical? Yes or no. Number 5, is this polygon symmetrical? Yes or no. Number 6, is this polygon symmetrical? Yes or no. All right, 4th graders, that's all for today for our lesson on symmetry. As always, if you have a question, feel free to check in with your teacher. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.